color crayons. Let's open it. So many colors.
Hiya!
Let's learn the colors. Black color, blue color, purple color, dark brown color, sky blue color, green color, light green color, brown color, red color, orange color, yellow color, white color. Now keep it aside. Today we will learn numbers. Green 3 0 30 30 30. Red 3 1 31 3 1 31. Sky blue 3 2 32 3 2 32. Orange 3 3 33 3 3 33. Purple 3 4 34 3 4 34. Yellow 3 5 35 3 5 35. Blue 3 6 36 3 6 36. Brown 3 7 37 3 7 37. Light green 3. Oh wow, so many colors. Let's open it. Now at first we will learn colors. This is color brush. Black color, white color, brown color, pink color, purple color, blue color, red color, sky blue color, orange color, green color, yellow color, light green color. Now keep it aside. Oh wow, a dinosaur. Green colored dinosaur. This is eraser. Let's open it.
Whoa!
You can also separate it. It is theropods. Do you know that they were meat eaters? They also had powerful legs but short arms. Let's join them again. Oh wow, a mobile phone. This is so cute. Yellow color, blue color. Let's open it. Oh wow, it is a calculator. Can you see the numbers, kids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Star 0 has. This is so cute. You can also separate the parts. Let's separate. Green color. Let's join them again.
No. Hiya.
Keep it aside. Oh wow! A cheek inside the egg. This is eraser also. Let's open it. This is so cute. You can also separate them. Let's separate.
No.
A green color cheek. White colored egg. Join them again. Do you like it, kids? Oh wow, color crayons. Orange color, blue color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark brown color, red color, green color, brown color, and our last color is purple color. Let's learn numbers. Blue. 1 1 11 1 1 11. Red. 1 2 12 1 2 12. Sky blue. 1 3 13 1 3 13. Green. 1 4 14 1 4 14. Dark brown. 1 5 15 1 5 15. Orange. 1 6 16 1 6 16. Yellow. 1 7 17 1 7 17. Purple. 1 8 18 1 8 18. Red. 1 9 19 1 9 19. Brown. 2 0 20 2 0 20. Now say with me, kids. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning.